I'm Kevin O'Flaherty. I hope you enjoyed this Learn About Law video and podcast presented by O'Flaherty Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. Thanks again for watching and listening.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and today we'll be talking about can creditors claim life insurance proceeds in Illinois. Some of the things we'll ask are who are life insurance beneficiaries, and are there exemptions that would allow creditors to reach life insurance proceeds paid out to the beneficiaries. So to kick things off, can creditors claim life insurance proceeds in Illinois, right? The first thing we asked. So if you or a loved one have debts, you may be wondering if the proceeds from a life insurance policy would be used to pay those debts after death. Well, the good news is that in Illinois, generally, the creditors of the deceased person have no rights against the money paid out by a life insurance policy to the beneficiaries. So if you're named a beneficiary, that money should go straight to you based on the stipulations of the life insurance policy. However, if any proceeds are paid out to the estate, they would definitely enter probate, and that money may be used to pay off claims, similar to any other asset in the estate, right? So let's talk real quick about who or what are life insurance beneficiaries. Well, life insurance policy beneficiaries can be anyone from your wife and or child, spouse, to your estate, or even a non-family member entity. In most cases, a beneficiary is a family member and likely a child or grandchild. The important thing to remember is that the beneficiary is who will be receiving the insurance proceed. And as mentioned before, in regards to the estate being the beneficiary, your choice can have an effect on a creditor's claim to the insurance proceeds. Most policies also ask to have a contingent beneficiary named in the event that your first named beneficiary do not survive you, or if your first named beneficiaries disclaim your insurance proceeds. Finally, let's cover some exemptions that may allow creditors to claim insurance proceeds. For the most part, if the buyer of a life insurance policy does their due diligence when purchasing a policy, the life insurance payouts are straightforward, right? But there are some situations when creditors may claim life insurance benefits, basically. So one, if the proceeds are paid out to the decedent's estate, they will most definitely be accessible to creditors. Why would someone purposely name their estate as the beneficiary of a life insurance policy? Well, it could be multiple reasons, but for the sake of this discussion, let's assume that the decedent may want the money from his or her policy to pay off any remaining debt, right? And then another important note here is that if the life insurance policy premiums are paid in fraud of creditors, and what do you want to think of there is if you were to dump a bunch of money from your checking account into a life insurance policy in order to avoid paying debt, and this can be proven, then the life insurance policy will still be exempt from probate, but possibly be claimed by creditors after passing to the beneficiaries. In the situation of a first-name beneficiary dying with no contingent beneficiary named, the proceeds would pass to the estate into probate, making them available to creditors. So what about against the beneficiary's debt, right? Even though the proceeds themselves still avoid probate, once the proceeds are in the hands of the beneficiary, they can be claimed by a creditor. For example, if your spouse is the beneficiary of the policy, once the money is paid out to his or her creditors, the creditors could then file a claim against her newfound funds. This same goes for a child, grandchild, etc. Once the money is paid out, it's just money, right? All this means that it is important to have your assets organized into the proper vehicle upon death, usually a living trust. And for more information on living trusts and naming a beneficiary, check out our other blogs and videos on Learn About Law.
Hi, Kevin O'Flaherty again from O'Flaherty Law. Hope you enjoyed our presentation of Learn About Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com.